We have come through a very difficult phase. If you looked at 3 years ago, Kenya Airways was in bad trouble. We had significant debt. We were huge losses. Over this last 3 years, and particularly in the last year, we've managed to renegotiate our debt, renegotiate the whole capital restructuring was renegotiate the debt. So now we have in a reasonably good position to turn this company around. When I say a new era, it means that it's not just that we have we've restructured our debt, but now we have a responsibility as well to deliver on that. We've been given the lifeline. Now we need to deliver. That's why I'm saying it's a new era for us. It's not just business as usual. We need to learn from the mistakes of the past, and we also make significant improvement in the way we operate. That's what I meant by a new era. It's a lifeline. We've got a new lease of life. Now we need to use it.
We need, as company, to stabilize our cash flow and, I would say, improve relations with our suppliers through a very thorough and detailed cash flow policy. But the very clear message is that KQ will be extremely cautious about the cash flow. So there is no question that now suddenly we have lots of cash and we're going to spend it. We will rather even tighten more our cash spendings in order to build up a cash flow position on a very slow and permanent pace, because one of the purposes of this restructuring was that the airline starts to have a stable cash flow position, and somehow we are a good customer, because we can negotiate costs provided that our cash flow position is good, because once you have a deal, you then have to pay the invoices on due time.